Welcome back. You are now looking at the Warriors for Hire section of the Warrior Forum, and this is where you can find service providers who will be able to do any of the steps that we have outlined in this course. Now, you may want to do some or all of the steps yourself, but the pieces that you don't want to do, you can actually outsource to them in the Warriors for Hire section. And you'll see this if you do a simple search using the word animated. You'll be able to find different people who will do different parts of the process. Now remember, if you choose not to use an outsourcer, one of the services that you can use, again, is a little more expensive than your typical video creator, but does a lot of the process for you. You can use My Simple Show. For the process of content creation and finding actual facts for business, you can use the website Marketing Charts, which has a number of articles that will give you fact-based information that would be great to put inside of your videos as long as you give the proper attribution to the actual writer. Another newsletter that has good factual information that you can actually place inside of your videos is the eMarketer newsletter, and you can sign up and subscribe to that newsletter and then get access to their database. Finally, another way for you to find fact-based information to place in your videos is to use the Google Scholar website. This is where you will find academic articles as well as studies and surveys. So you now have a process you can use inside of any video creator such as Powtoon or GoAnimate or even Animatron or any video creator that you want to use. One of the keys is going to be getting your information into script form and being able to either narrate it or have it narrated, picking keywords for each of your scenes, getting any additional images that you're going to need in order to do your animation, finding royalty-free music if you're going to use music in your videos, and then using the timeline operation tools in order to match the audio with what you want people to see in your video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you either in another video or in another course.